Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art, and I'm Mr. Woods, and we're going to be drawing pixelated Mario.
It's a me, Mario.
But wait, what's a pixel?
A pixel is one of the small dots or squares that make up an image on a computer screen.
And the materials. You're going to need some type of grid paper. Can't find any? Go to my Facebook page. You can print off a copy at home. Number 2 pencil with an eraser. Ultra fine Sharpie marker for outlining. And your favorite colored pencils. So find those materials and let's begin. I am using gridded paper, and this is what you call 4x4 to the inch cross section grid paper. I'm also using a number 2 pencil. Going to do a lot of counting and just trying to be precise on where I'm placing all the little pixels to create this Mario. So the first thing, I'm going to go over 2 boxes and then up 9. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then from there, I'm going to go over 26. And back down. This is going to be the little tube. This is going to be a little, just an outline around here. All right. Now I'm going to go up 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then over 2, and then 2 more. Straight down, and from here I'm going to go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight down, and then all the way across. Then I'm going to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 2. And starting over here, I'm going to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then once I get going on this, I can just visually see it after a while. And here's going to be a box right there. Now I'm going to tidy this up with an ultrafine Sharpie so I don't have to worry too much about, you know, it not looking too neat right now. Just use the boxes to help me lay things out. But I want to move kind of fast. So I'm going to go from this corner here over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's Mario's boot. Now I've played around with this several times, so I kind of have an idea of what I'm looking for. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have 7 this direction. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so I'm right where I should be. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. While we're waiting for the transition, jump up and hit that subscribe button. Okay, now I'm going to use an ultra fine Sharpie marker to outline. You want to be precise, so I'm going to come back in and use a protractor, also a ruler to make sure all my lines are good and straight. Now let's add some color. I'm going to be using Prismacolors, and I've kind of selected the correct color for each part, or colors that are close enough. And I'm going to start with a peach or a flesh tone for the face, and then work from there. Hey friends, it's so awesome you decided to join me right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art to create your very own pixelated Mario. After you create this project, of course, I want to see it. So upload it back onto my Facebook page. And check back on my YouTube channel for more how to draw videos, tips, tricks, and techniques, and so much more. So remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.